big body contact, got the ball back, and then Gay will tie him up. And the Grizzlies are absolutely incensed that there was no foul call made on the play. And now Morant, and an exchange of words, and coaches and security staff all on the floor. Morant took exception as he felt he was pulled down by the jersey and there was no foul called.
I don't know what happened after because Morant was the one that had see here, no call there. Good job by Morant though to even come up with the basketball.
Team.